Hey guys, my name is Alivia and welcome back to my channel. I'm always so glad and so happy to see you on my channel and to receive so many comments from you guys. So guys, today's video will be trading like the last time, and don't forget I have a private chat where you can be able to copy my trading strategies and be able to receive trading signals that I post there once a day. And to get into this private chat, you need to write me via my personal chat in Telegram. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you into that chat, and you can be able to receive these trading signals and be able to see my trade as well. And also don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment down below and hit that notification button. So let's begin the trade. So today we'll be trading on the Quotex platform. My deposit is $1 and I'll try to overclock it to $8,000. So please stay tuned until the end of this video to see if I reach my goal. So let's start the trade. So here you can see the support level, and also we can see that there was a very good downtrend. The price is closer to this level. After the roll back up, there is a very good entry point. So let's open the trade for 3 minutes down, because I think price will continue downtrend and level will be broken through. So let's wait for the results. It's excellent. Price continued this movement down and 2 minutes was quite enough and we collected our profit. So let's look to the next option. So here we can see support level. Also we can see price already touched this level and then rolled back up, and now it's again approaching our level with impulsive candlesticks. So I think we need to open a trade down for 3 minutes, because I think this price will continue moving to this level and also this level will be broken through. So I think let's wait and see the outcome. Excellent guys, price continued downward movement and broke through our level, and now we are collecting our profit and time was enough here. So let's look at the next situation. So to the left of this chart we can see the main level. Also a little bit higher there is the inner level, and price is at this level. So let's get back to the current price movement. Here you can see that there is a very good downtrend, and the moment price is stuck on our inner level. So I think we need to open a 3-minute trade down, because I think that this level will be broken through and move to main support level. So let's check it and see the results. Well guys, it's awesome. Price continued and broke through our inner level and continued its movement to our main level. So let's look at the next pair. Here you can see very good downtrend, and in this situation let's open a 3-minute trade down, because I think price will continue its movement down to main support level. So I think let's check it and wait and see. It's excellent guys. Price continued this movement down to this level and we are getting our profit. And as you can see, price approached this level and there was a small roll back up, and after that price fell to our level and is now sticking there. So I think at this level we need to open a trade down for 3 minutes, because I think this level will be broken through and we can expect maybe a small flat, and after that downward movement will continue. So let's open the trade for 3 minutes and wait and see the outcome. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small roll back, our level was broken through and we are getting good profit. And since everything is going well, so let's continue. Well guys, we have found this currency pair after this price has broken through our level, and also we can see that price is moving lower. So I think we need to open a 3-minute trade down, because I think the price will continue movement to the next level of support. So let's open the trade down and check it. Well guys, it's excellent. Price continued down and we are getting our profit, and at this moment you can see a small rail back up, and maybe for a while price will continue going up. So let's continue to the next option. So here we can see the support level, and also at the moment there is a very good downtrend which will continue. So let's open a 3-minute trade down because I think this level may be broken through. So let's check it and see the results. Well, it's excellent guys. Even without any rollbacks, price continued moving to this level and it has been broken through and we are getting brilliant profit. So guys, let's continue. Well guys, here we can see resistance level. Also you can see after a rollback, price is again approaching this level and there is sticking to this level. So let's open a 3-minute trade up because I think this level will be broken through. So let's check it and see. Well, it's not bad. Price continued its movement to the level and it has been broken through. We are getting our profit, so let's continue. Well guys, at the left of the chart you can see here the resistance level. So let's go back to the current trade. You can see here a very good upward movement is going on and our level of resistance is much higher. So let's open a 5-minute trade up with the reserve. So let's check it and wait and see the results. Well guys, it's excellent. We are getting very good and brilliant impulsive upward movement and our trade is profitable. Everything is going well, so let's continue. Here we can see that there was a very good upward movement. The price touched this level and after that pulled back down, and now again it's continuing and moving to this level. There is sticking to the level, and also pay attention to the inner support level. The price is again moving from it with up, and I think price will continue movement to our main support level, and also this level will be broken through. So guys, let's open a 3-minute trade up and let's wait for the results. It's excellent guys. Uptrend continued and we are collecting our very gorgeous profits. So let's continue to the next situation. Here you can see a very good downtrend up to our support level. So let's immediately open a trade for 1 minute because I think that soon this level will be broken through because price is very close to this level, and also as you can see there was a small rollback up and down movement continued. So let's wait and see. It's excellent guys. Downward movement continued and our level was broken through. 1 minute was enough, so let's look at the next situation. Well guys, here you can see the support level, and also pay attention to this false breakout where there are weak red candlesticks going beyond the level. Also pay attention to the price minimum and general price movement. So I think we need to open a trade down for 1 minute, expecting impulsive breakout at this level. So let's check it and see the results. It's excellent guys. Price broke through the level as I predicted and we are getting very good profit, and 1 minute was enough here, so let's continue trading. Here we can see resistance level, and also price touched this level a second time, and after there was a pullback down. So I think we need to open an up trade for 1 minute, expecting an impulsive breakthrough of the level. So let's check it and wait and see the results. Well guys, it's excellent. Although there was a small pullback down, upward movement continued and the level was broken through and we're getting our profit. So let's continue to the next situation. So here we can see the support level. Also we can see that there is a very good downtrend after a small pullback up. Price is continuing moving down, so I think let's open a trade down for 3 minutes, expecting a high chance of the level being broken through. So guys, let's check it and see the results. Well guys, it's excellent. Price continued moving down and the level has been broken through and we are getting our profit. 3 minutes was enough here, and after impulsive breakthrough of the level, the price rolled back up a little up to our support level and it has now become resistance level. Our price is now going down again, so I think we need to open a 1 minute trade down and expect to close the trade. It's excellent guys. The price continued moving down and you are getting our profit. So let's continue and consider our next situation. So here we can see a very good wave-like downtrend and the price has touched its level of support, and after that there was a roll back up and now the price is again approaching this level. There is sticking to the level. So let's open a 3 minute trade down because price will continue moving to this level and it will be broken through. So guys, let's check it and wait for the result. Well guys, it's not bad. After a small flat movement downwards continued and this level has been broken through, we are getting good profit and now our deposit is $3,000. So let's continue. So guys, here we can see resistance level and the price has touched this level and after that rolled back down, and now we can see upward movement of the price and it came to this level and there is a small flat. So I think we need to open a trade for 5 minutes up, expecting a continuation of upward movement after a small flat, and let's wait for the results. Well guys, it's not bad. The breakthrough of this level wasn't happening, but after a small flat, upward movement continued and we closed our trade and collected our profit. So there is obvious sticking to this level and price will probably continue up. So I think we need to open a 3 minute trade up here as well and wait for the results. It's excellent guys. Price continued moving up and this level has been broken through and 5 minutes was enough here. So let's continue to the next situation. So here you can see the resistance level and the price already touched this level 2 times, and at this moment price is coming to this level already for a 3rd time with very good candlesticks. So they're sticking to the level. So let's open an upward trade for 2 minutes because this time will be quite enough. So let's check it. Well guys, it's excellent. After a small flat, upward movement continued and this level has been broken through and we are getting our brilliant profit, and the time was quite enough here. So guys, that was my final trade. As you see, I've already got my deposit of $8,331 and I've completed my goal for the day. So guys, as you saw, I managed to achieve my goal for the day. I went from $1 to $8,300 and I'm so happy. So if you want to be able to copy my trading strategies and receive trading signals, you need to write me via my personal chat in Telegram, which is down in the description box, and I'll add you to a private channel channel in Telegram, you need to write me with the code word money team, and I'll add you to this channel, and you also be able to follow my trading signals and be able to earn some money. So thank you so much for watching this channel. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Until next time, bye.